Hey guys, welcome back. So I've got another beautiful bag to share with you. So this is a shoulder bag and the style number is 9036. And this is a more uncommon bag, I would say, because I couldn't actually find the specific style name online. I couldn't find much information on it, so I'm not 100% sure what the actual style name of the bag would have been, but I do know that the style number was 9036. It looks pretty similar to the Ergo bags, if you're familiar with that style. So it looks very similar. It's a shoulder bag, but it does have a turn lock here, which actually I don't think any of the other Ergo bags that I've seen have turn locks, so I just call it the Ergo Turnlock Bag, but I'm not really sure what the original name would have been. But if I do figure it out after filming this video, I will put the official name in the description box below. But otherwise, I'll just refer to it as the Ergo Turnlock Bag. But anyway, that's the little backstory on this bag. Also, it was made in the US in the year 1998, and as you can see, it's in the color black. So I'll go ahead and show you this bag up close now. So here's the front. As I mentioned, it's got this little turn lock closure here. It's got this kind of flap goes over the top of the bag. So here's the front. Here's what the side looks like. And it does have the matching hang tag. It's a two-sided hang tag. And then here's the back of the bag. It's got a back slip pocket here. You could probably fit a cell phone in here pretty easily if you like. And then here's the other side of the bag. So yeah, that's what the bag looks like. I would say it's more of a medium-sized bag, so it could probably fit more than just a few essentials. It's a pretty nice size, but it's not like super wide, so I still feel like it is kind of a nice, sleek, slim design. So a pretty nice size bag. And it also does have, like I mentioned, the pocket on the outside, but it also has two little pockets on the inside. I'll go ahead and show you photos now since it's kind of hard to show that on camera, but here's photos of the inside pockets. And then also I'll show you real fast a photo of the creed so that you can see that the bag is in fact authentic. So anyway, that's the bag. It's definitely a beautiful style, and as always, I will link it below in our Etsy shop if you wanted to check it out further. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.